kitchen somewhere in Ohio. The room is silent except for the soft hum of an old shortwave radio. On 3780 kHz, a Morse code transmission begins. Dots and dashes, but with odd stuttering pauses. The intervals aren't random. They almost mimic breathing, halting and resuming as if the sender is hesitating. Listeners worldwide report the same pattern, always at midnight, always with irregular gaps. Experts identify the transmitter's signature, a faint metallic echo at the end of each pause, as though the message is bouncing back from somewhere unseen.